Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and fan. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. With the mylar shielding pulled back, remove the 2mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the solid-state drive to the system board. Grasp the solid-state drive by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Remove the solid-state drive module and place it in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Grasp the solid-state drive by the edges and remove it from the static dissipative bag. Align the notch in the solid-state drive with the key in the solid-state drive slot on the system board. Gently insert the solid-state drive into its slot on the system board. Replace the 2mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the solid-state drive to the system board. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.